Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have 3 more spring Easter journals that I wanted to show you. These will be all in my Etsy shop, so check out the links down below. If you missed my yesterday's video, I showed you 3 more that I made. So they're all different. They're all the little golden books, and they're all from different time periods. I think these are my oldest ones. The other ones I had from 1980 and 70 and a 2001. But I'll show you, let's see, I'll start with this one over here. This is called Rabbit and Friends and His Friends. And it is kind of a green and yellow kind of theme all the way through. It's got this fabric, vintage fabric. Really cute. And this paper collection, I think, is an Echo Park or Bella Boulevard, one of those two. There's stitching throughout, and I did some stamping as well throughout on different items. All the details as far as the amount of pages will be in my Etsy listing. They all include 3 altered paper clips at the top, and I have filled it with items, but then it'll also come with an ephemera pack of different things, and I'll show you a sampling of that at the end here. This one, oh, I forgot to look at the date on this one. This is 1973, Rabbit and His Friends. There's several different vintage book pages in here, and it includes the entire book of the little golden book throughout the whole thing in the correct order. So there's lots of dyed papers that I did. I had fun with that. There's a little pocket page with some vintage playing money. And then there's a side pocket on there too. Here's a vintage flashcard. I stamped the bunny on there. If you didn't watch my video yesterday, I have these precious moments. They were Easter decorations that I found at my mom's house, and I just cut them up to be able to fit into the books as pages. I just thought they were really cute. Ledger page. Now, since these are bound together with the binder rings, you could add pages in here if you want, depending on how fat you want it, but that you can't open them up. This is from 1953. It's an old check. I think it was an old check. Yeah. No, you know what this is? A promissory note. And then this is the cover. So that is that one. This one is Duck and His Friends. Now this one is the oldest one, I believe, and it's from 1949. That is the actual print. This is an actual 1949 book. It has wear, and like this one as well, but I think that just adds to the character of the book. It's got some like little wrinkles here, but I just love it. I think this might be my favorite book out of all of them. Really cute. All right, we'll go into it here. This one has a vintage postcard. Different, from a different country, but I thought that was really cute. So it's a little tuck. Another one of my favorite vintage books is a Peter Rabbit book. It has kind of watercolor painting in it. I sewed throughout the books as well as stamped images and dyed pages and things like that. I added tabs on the sides here. Used lots of vintage fabric and trims and stuff. Vintage playing card there. This is just, I love that book. It's just adorable. Some fun pom-pom trim there. And then here's the back cover. In all the books, I also have a couple of these vintage calendar. They're like a desktop calendar. And there was like a piece from every day of the month, of all the months. And it was for 1961. There's that one. And then the last one is the Golden Egg book. This one, let's see what the date is on this one. 1974 was the last print date on that one. This one is adorable too. Look at that. Leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite one that you like? It could be from this set or the other set of the other video that I put out too. I still think mine is this one. So ledger paper. I love these. Such a cute book. And here is the last two pages in the back. And then I'll show you real quick kind of a sampling of the ephemera pack that comes with it. It'll come with everything that's already in the books that you saw, plus this little pack. I'm going to add some more vintage Easter pages, cut maybe 2 more pages to this, but then it'll come with this stuff here. A different variety, but pretty much the same stuff. Some of the books, though, I loaded them all differently, so you'll receive the same amount of stuff, but some of it might be in the book already, and then the rest of it will be in this packet. So there's this vintage memorandum carbon form, some vintage ticket, or these aren't vintage, some stamped tickets that I made. There's some Easter die cuts, Easter playing cards, couple stamped bunny images, this little place card with the carrot. This is a vintage life game card. Some bunny papers, note papers, vintage money, another happy Easter, and then this bunny thank you card with the envelope. Of course, all of the, most of the vintage stuff is in the book already. So just wanted you to see that. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go on over to my Etsy shop so you can check out these books as well as the other ones, and go on over and check out the other video that has the first 3 journals that I showed you. I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.